I thought it was definitely helpful for students who thought about like what would happen if someone came into the building.
And I went to a different school than Ellington schools, and they didn't prepare us at all. And so I'm glad that Ellington's taking like a start at keeping us safer.
I feel like a lot of kids, like, they know, oh, I'll just fight him or I'll just hide, but like when you're in it, you're looking around like, where am I gonna hide? Like, how am I gonna fight? You're like, what do I do?
I feel like at my old school, we weren't very much prepared. We were just basically thrown into something that we couldn't really handle, and then like the only way for us to kind of handle it was kind of like making fun of it. So like I feel like that since Ellington is trying to take a step forward, I think more people will take it more seriously and will understand how to protect themselves.
I just tend to overthink things as it is, and so it's good to think about it and everything, but it's also hard to you don't know where you'll be at that time, so you don't know if you'll be safe in a classroom or if you'll be in the hallway.
I understand the overthinking because I do that all the time. If you guys know me, I overthink all the time. But as a police officers, all they do all day is train. Could I run into a bathroom? Could I get a door locked? Could I, maybe you're in the window hallway, can I run out that door? What can I do? The more that you do that type of stuff, the better off you're gonna feel, less anxiety because you're gonna feel prepared. Just like we do fire drills, right? We don't even think about them anymore. We know we get up and we walk out. Because you thought about this and you prepared it in your mind and you thought about this, you won't forget that. You'll be like, your mind is gonna go back to recall and say, that's the answer. Because you thought about a bunch of different ways to do it. And that's what they mean by practice and preparing.